So in this video, you'll learn how to install CapCut on an Android phone. So the first step is to launch the Play Store. And then once you've launched the Play Store, you want to tap on the search function and you want to type in CapCut, like that, and then search. You should see it listed in the search results. It's by ByteDance Limited. So you want to tap on it to continue viewing the app details. And then next is to just tap on install and simply wait for the app to be downloaded onto your phone. Once the app has been installed onto your phone, you will then want to tap on open to launch it. Alternatively, you can always just go to the app screen or to the home screen, look for the CapCut app, and then just tap on it to launch it from there. So from here, you need to agree to the terms of service and privacy policy, and that you also need to confirm that you're over 13 years. So agree, and now you can start using CapCut on your Android phone. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.